Have you ever felt like giving up because something felt too hard? Like no matter how much you try, you just can't get it right? Don't worry, you're not alone. But what if I told you that the way you think about challenges can change everything? Today, I'm going to share 5 practical tips to help you develop a growth mindset, a mindset that can unlock your true potential. Tip 1. Embrace challenges. When was the last time you felt scared to try something new? Did you step back or step forward? Remember, challenges are not obstacles. They are opportunities to grow. So next time you feel scared, remind yourself, this is how I grow. Tip 2. Learn from criticism. Does criticism hurt? Of course it does. But what if you looked at it as feedback, not failure? Instead of thinking, I'm not good enough, try asking, what can I learn from this? Tip 3. Celebrate effort, not just results. Do you only celebrate when you succeed? What about the effort you put in? Success is not just about winning, it's about trying, failing, and trying again. Celebrate every step, no matter how small. Tip 4. Surround yourself with positive influences. Look around you. Are the people in your life helping you grow or holding you back? Spend time with those who inspire you, encourage you, and believe in you. Positivity is contagious. Tip 5. Keep learning, always. When was the last time you learned something new? Learning keeps your mind alive and growing. Read a book, take a course, or simply ask questions. Remember, the more you learn, the more you grow. Growth mindset isn't just a skill, it's a way of life. Which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Keep growing. Subscribe for more tips on personal growth and mindset transformation.